here. Nandito po ako sa Baguio. And just join in invitation. By the way, mga kapatid, no? Ilang araw na lang para po sa ating event sa Rainmakers Worldwide. And I would like you to know that we are proud, no? And we are grateful to have our second year anniversary sa Rainmakers Worldwide Philippines. So thank you so much for Live Good. Thank you so much sa leadership ng ating Crown Diamond Coach Fernand Santiago and the rest of the team. Kasi bakit? Siyempre, di ba, sabi nila noon, ang Live Good ay scam. Sabi nila noon, yung ating business ay hindi magtatagal. Kasi puro daw tayo, puro subscription. Pero hindi nyo ba alam that subscription or the club membership ay $1 billion industry. Marami ng klase ng mga membership na talaga naman until today ay existing at mas lalo kang kumikita. But Live Good, tamang timing, tamang opportunity, tamang tao ng mga sinamahan natin, tamang mga leaders, yung mga sinamahan natin na talagang nakita yung mission and vision ng company. Live Good is the name itself, Live Good. Kita mo na yung future mo. You have to live good with your life. But with this, I just would like to invite everyone to please secure your tickets now. Kasi bakit, we encourage you to be part of our another milestone ng ating Live Good Philippine team. Napakahalaga nun kasama ka para mas maranasan mo din kung ano yung meron sa ating company. So this is a gathering for those people na talagang binigyan ng panahon at oras na aralin para magkaroon ng result sa Live Good. Ganun naman po talaga pag negosyo, diba, kailangan natin trabaunin. Hindi lang tayo after join. Sabihin lang, part na ako ng Live Good, kabilang ka din. So, the best time to start is now. The best time, but the really start is now. Yes, bakit ngayon? Kasi sabi nila, pagka ang company ay nasa 2 years na, part ka pa ng pioneers, diba? Kailan pa mag-join? Pagka 5 million na, 10 million na ang members or subscribers, syempre ayaw natin mag-end. May opportunity ka pang kumita, lalo na konti pa lang yun. Ayan, if you are one of the invite to our second year anniversary with Rainmakers Worldwide Team Philippines para naman ma-enjoy din po natin ang napakagandang moment na ito as a team sa Philippines po. So join us mga kapatid, secure your tickets now kasi this is another exciting milestone ng ating pong Team Philippines. So cheers to all of us and congratulations again sa mga nakasecure na ng kanilang account, tickets, and do not forget na masaya kami na makasama ka para sa event natin. By the way, this is on January 26 po, together with our Diamond leaders and the rest of the affiliate members. So sila mag-count mga kapatid. And start show na up kasi ganun masayang bandilan, di ba? Picture taking, drinks, dancing, entertainment, all of that hanggang 10 p.m. Diba? That is one of our enjoyment. Kasi sabi nga nila, ang business hindi lang naman pera-pera. That is an experience, kapatid. Experience ang makukuha mo dyan kasi bakit? Syempre, diba, we are meeting different people, different leaders, members, affiliates. Diba, yung vibes nun, makayakap mo sila, makuha mo yung energy nila, napakahalaga nun, mga kapatid. So, you have to join us. I would love to see you. This is your coach, Jessa Ocpeña again, and see you, mga kapatid. Huwag kang mapagod para sa pangarap mo. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang, naniniwala ako sa'yo. Bye!